Nearly every day. And also, baby. I want you to take both the bottles home with you. Every time you open the fridge, you're reminded about the good and the bad cop. Really. And you think going into you. Not nice. I'm going to put that on. And she thought
In Bristol, Karen was home for quit day with one last cigarette. What
are you doing?
Still on the line.
I didn't realise why you were maybe